and welcome. Today is another instant coffee series. We are going to make my version of Mexican coffee using instant coffee. What is the difference between Mexican coffee and regular coffee? To me, Mexican coffee is like mocha with spices. For my recipes, I am going to use cinnamon for my spice, and if you're up to it, you can also use chili powder. We do love chili powder here in Thailand, but it might not be appetizing to most, so I'm going to skip the chili powder and stick to cinnamon. Okay, let's take a look at our ingredients. Instant coffee, any brand will do. I'm using Nescafe Gold Crema here. Milk, any milk of your choice. I'm using non-fat. Chocolate syrup or chocolate sauce, commercial or homemade. And the special ingredient is cinnamon powder. Moving on to making our hot Mexican coffee. This recipe is for an 8-ounce cup. 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, 1 tablespoon of hot water. Stir. This instant coffee gives good crema. But if you would like a special presentation, use a milk frother to get that dalgona effect. Froth until caramel brown. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup, a few shakes of the cinnamon powder, and stir it well. I love that beautiful color and that texture, very, very creamy. Add 120 ml or 4 ounces of warm milk. Pour on one side so as not to disturb the presentation of the crema effect. Add a cinnamon stick if you have any, and finally a teaspoon on the side. Ready to serve. Next, it is iced Mexican coffee. This recipe is for a 16-ounce cup. 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of water, hot or cold is fine. Use a milk frother to get a creamy texture. Froth until caramel brown. Add 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters of chocolate syrup. You may adjust the amount depending on your sweetness preference. Add a few shakes of the cinnamon powder. Mix well. This mixture will be heavy, so it will settle at the bottom of the drink. Make sure it is very well combined, and then fill the glass with ice. Add 4 ounces or 120 ml of milk, and you get a rich, chocolatey Mexican coffee with a touch of cinnamon. Sounds great? Go on then, give them a try at home or add them in your menus. Iced Mexican coffee and hot Mexican coffee. Enjoy. Mexican coffee, quick and easy. Stay tuned for more of these video tutorials. In the meantime, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.